In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text-to-speech in Kapwing. Whether you're crafting a dynamic video presentation or just trying to create a fun audio message, text-to-speech can be an incredibly helpful tool in bringing life to your projects. We'll walk you through everything you need to know to incorporate this feature into your Kapwing creations. To get started, open your project in Kapwing Studio. If you haven't begun your project yet, don't worry. Starting a new one is easy. Once you're in the Kapwing Studio workspace, you'll find yourself greeted by a slew of intuitive tools designed to enhance your creative process. A crucial aspect of the creative journey is finding the right elements to bring your vision to life, and that's exactly where text-to-speech comes into play. Take a look at the left sidebar, or what might appear as your workspace toolbar. Here, you're going to find various options for enhancing your project, and one of these is the AI voice or text-to-speech tab. Clicking on it will open up a new set of options that will allow you to transform written text into spoken words seamlessly. Next, you'll want to type or paste the text that you wish to bring to life. This text can be anything, from an informational script to a light-hearted message. Kapwing will handle it with ease, so don't hesitate to get creative. As you input your text, think about the tone and style you want to convey, as these choices will guide your next steps in selecting the optimal voice settings. Once you've finalized your text, it's time to choose a voice. Begin by picking the language that best matches your text. Kapwing offers a variety of languages such as English, Filipino, and more. This is an essential step that ensures the pronunciation and intonation align perfectly with your intended message. But we're not stopping there. In order to truly customize your text-to-speech experience, you'll have the opportunity to select from a variety of different styles, accents, genders, and even narration styles. Whether you're going for a formal, authoritative tone or a casual, friendly vibe, you'll find options that cater to a wide array of preferences. Consider what best resonates with your audience and aligns with the message you're aiming to deliver. And just like that, you're equipped with everything you need to integrate text-to-speech in Kapwing. These features not only add depth and vibrancy to your projects, but also make them accessible and engaging to a broader audience. So go ahead, harness the power of AI voiceovers and watch as your creations come alive with articulated expressiveness in every word.